Now this question has three parts, 3 to 4 sub questions. Find the compound interest, annual compounding means everyone is annually compounded. Now A part, P equals to 1000, R equals to 5%, N equals to 3 years. Quite simple. So A equals to what? P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So 1 plus 5 upon 100 means 1.05 the whole cube. Now this cube of this by Vedic maths 1.157625. See here. You'll say, why do I always say for Vedic maths? But logically imagine, if you start with pen and paper for 1.05 cube, will you be able to do it? No. So that's why for faster calculations, these all the ancient guys of ancient persons of our country, they have given faster methods. That is called as Vedic maths. So follow that. So 1.157625 into 1000. We have separate videos for that. Means I have prepared and in a simpler language, because I know many others videos which you have are difficult to understand, or the books are difficult to understand for Vedic maths, or the classes which they take for are difficult. They make it confusing. Things should be simple, right? So that's why follow those videos. They are free of cost, available on YouTube. Follow that. Okay. So 1000 into 1.157625. So just multiply it. 1130 zeros. So it becomes 3 point shifts 3 over here. 3 sides 3 on the right. So 1157.625. That is what A. Now what we want but compound interest. So CI equals to A minus P. So 1157.62 minus 1000, 157.62. That is the required answer. Now B part. Again find the CI, annual compounding. P equals to 360, R equals to 20%, N equals to 2 years. This is for practice basically. You do your practice, you take pen and paper and try solving this. So A equals to 360 into 1 plus 20 upon 100 raised to 2. So 1.2 the whole square, right? 1.2 means 1.44. 12 square is 144. So 144 into 360. Adjust the point. So it becomes 5184 and point adjusted with 10 it becomes 518.4. Okay, do it yourself. So compound interest equals to 518.4 minus 360. It becomes 158.4. Next, again the same compound interest annually. P 3000, R 10, N 3. So 3000 into 1 plus 10 by 100, that is 1.1 the whole cube, right, raised to N. So 1.1 cube is 11 cube is 1331. Adjust the point 1.331 into 3000. It becomes 3993. So compound interest equals to 3993 minus 3993. Here important part is calculations. Means the multiplication which you have to do and the cubes which you have to find, that is difficult, and for that there is no other option than Vedic maths. Okay. Next. Similarly this last one. P equals to 72,000, R equals to 6, N equals to 3 years. All are annual compounding. So A equals to 72,000 into 1 plus 6 upon 100 the whole raised to 3. So it becomes 1.06 raised to 3. 1.06 cube. Try it yourself. 1.191016. Vedic maths. So 72,000 into this. So it again Vedic maths. 8575 3.15. So A is this. So compound interest is what? 8575 3.15 minus 72,000. That is 13753.15.